Ndekeni, Ajeni, Otofeni, Osama Bekele. You all can see this man here in the picture below. He's George Onyeibe, an ex-IPOB member. Now, we all have been seeing what he's doing online, saying all sort of rubbish about the Igbo race, saying all sort of rubbish about IPOB, fighting Igbo unification and all that. George Onyeibe was working with IPOB before, so he had issues with them and he withdrew back. And since then, he's online saying all manner of rubbish, talking nonsense and all that. And the major people sharing his posts are Benin people and Yoruba people, saying, yes, this man is hitting them hard, he's exposing them, this, that. And these Mumu people don't know, say, during the past, that time where George Onyeibe dey IPOB, he exposed many of these Ile lies and Yoruba lies. He really exposed them. So we don't already know everything. You understand? Everything concerning all this propaganda, the agenda that these people are trying to divide the Igbos with. This George Onyeibe exposed everything before. So now, because they had issues, he had issues with IPOB, he's now speaking against the truth that he once said before. You know, some of these people they support that they no get sense. Many of them are moving. Why? Because now Igbo people they fight, so more just they support them, they give a leg. They see, make I tell you something. You can't fight the Igbo race. Igbo pass you, say don't pass you. George Onyeibe is only doing all those things out of frustration. The man they frustrated. That's why they do all those things. They don't leave him behind. You understand? So that's why he's busy. He's saying all sorts of rubbish. They move online, they talk rubbish. Ile Binu and Yoruba people supporting him know that he don't already expose una finish. So all this one that you people are there saying, yeah, George Onyeibe, he's exposing the Igbo. He not expose anything. So nothing I want to talk today where we never hear before. Yeah, Anema people are not Igbo. Person where they George Onyeibe where they talk say Anema people are full 100% Igbo before. Now you don't talk say Anema people are not Igbo. Anema people don't deny with Southeast, this, that. And sensible person will support that don't say Anema people not Igbo. So as we be Anema now we they speak Igbo, our culture, our ancestry, everything are Igbo. He's gonna see they believe and when they don't say we not Igbo, many of them not get sense. Now what does say many of them are Mumu? Now Mumu they support George Onyeibe. Anybody they support an Mumu, you can't fight the Igbo race. We don't pass you, they say we don't pass you. Igbo unity is here to stay. Now Mumu like I'm going to support them. Yeah, people. Ndekeni share gwale.